How to boost Snapchat score fast. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to boost Snapchat score fast. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to boost your Snapchat score fast, increasing your Snapchat score can be a fantastic way to gauge the app uses and evaluate it against your friends' uses. It can also be a means of demonstrating your sincerity with others, sending pictures to numerous people repeatedly, utilizing filters and lenses, taking part in challenges, and using the app frequently and adding new friends are all ways to raise your Snapchat score. The simplest way is to increase your score is to send and receive lots of snaps to your friends. With each sending and receiving photo to your friends can increase your Snap score. Sharing tales on Snapchat is another terrific strategy to raise your Snap score ranking. Your score will also increase with each story you post on Snapchat. A snap streak is a period during which you and a friend exchange snaps. Increasing Snapchat streaks can increase your Snapchat score. Getting a friend to join you in a snap streak can boost your ranking. Next, open Snapchat after some time can also be a source of high Snapchat ranking scores. So the latter, Snapchat opening, can increase or improve your snap score. Next, adding more pale will boost your ranking score on Snapchat. Start by adding arbitrary celebs and participating in their Snapchat activities. Next, filters and lens applications are also beneficial in increasing the quality of the score. Next, Snapchat frequently hosts many competitions where users can take part to score points and raise their Snapchat score. So, taking part in Snapchat challenges can boost your progress. Also, using the app frequently may jump your score in the ranking world. So these are few ways on how you can boost Snapchat score fast. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.